All right, so we just got the Smart Body Fat Scale. It's got a bunch of different things here: built-in battery, USB-C charger, flower shape, LCD screen, button on and off, heart rate, body type, smart app sync, offline and storage. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the back. All right, so it does all these things. It tells your weight, your BMI, your heart rate, heart index, body fat, subcutaneous, fat-free body weight, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscles, a lot of stuff, huh? It does a lot of stuff. So let's open it up and take a look at it. And I think we have to download an application on our smartphones. So here it is. Okay, it's always a problem getting it out of the box. Okay, got it. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's see how we open this up. Oh, okay. There we go. We're getting there, one step at a time, I think. Okay. Comes with some ancillary things. Here we go. All right, let's get her out. Oh, there we go. Wow, looks pretty cool. It's got a manual right here, and I do believe this is probably the cord to charge it, USB to USB-C. All right, so let's set that over here. Quick guide user manual, and I think if we look on this, we're gonna find, yeah, there's the USB-C over here, and that's the start button right there. That's pretty much it. And I think we got to download an application so that we can use it on our smartphone. Let's take a look and see what it says here. Smart Body Fat Scale. Oh yeah, look. So thank you for choosing whatever the name of this is. There's your support thing if you got a problem with it. Live chat. All right, so Facebook. That's the official thing. So we've got to download app and register user account. Then you power it up, and then you got to pair it. And then I think we just step on it. I think, yeah. So it's got some safety precautions. Anyway, I would read this so that you understand how to do it. But yeah, let's. Oh, and I don't think you can use it on a rug. I think you got to put it on a hard floor so that you get a good idea of how fat you are. All right, that's unboxing. We're gonna have to do a video on how to download the app next. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing.